Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to my June favourites. So this video I'm going to go through my favourite moves of the month, and yes, my favourite moves do change every month, and this month we have been doing a lot of dancing, especially in the mornings for our daily dance challenge, and I am sure that my favourite moves are influenced by that. Okay, number one, and I love this move because it is great in the morning to get that energy up, and that is our beautiful snake arms. So if you haven't learnt your snake arms before, it's a really classical move and it's lovely because it works through your upper body and really brings grace and elegance to a performance. The thing I love about it though is that when you're feeling really stiff and like this in the morning, it opens up through your chest and it gets energy into your arms all the way to your fingers. So very simply, we're just rolling one shoulder back, then the other shoulder back. And then the roll, as you bring your shoulder back, it's rippling through your arm and through your hand. You want to try and keep your hand down as you do your snake arm. And you want to stay nice and relaxed, which is sometimes hard, especially when you're very stiff first thing. Other side, rolling that shoulder. So you can see I'm rolling shoulder, elbow, hand, shoulder, elbow, hand, shoulder, elbow, hand, and then we come into one side, then the other. Some fun little variations with this one is to lean to the side, which also feels really good in the morning because you're getting energy all through your upper back, through your multifidus in your back, and you get to reach all the way out. Another little variation I've been enjoying is bringing those arms all the way up as you're still doing your roll through the shoulders, a little wave through, and release. How beautiful is that move? Okay, my second favorite of the month is our Maya. I love dancing Maya, especially to the melody of a song. I don't know, for some reason it's a nice one to really get the feeling of the music. Does anyone else find that? Let me know in the comments. So if you haven't done your Maya before, we're starting with our feet flat. We're bringing our hip out to the side, we bring it up, trying to get those nice rolls through the stomach, down and in. Out, up, down, in, out, up, down, in. That's just one side, watch from the front. Out, up, down, in, out, up, down, in. So when I come out to the side, I'm just pushing my weight over, the opposite leg bends. Then when I'm coming up, I'm pushing off my foot, this leg stays straight. So you can see, pushing off the foot, in, bringing it back in, but my heel's still off the ground to stay up, and then down. So there's 4 points in each side. Out, up, in while you're still up, and down. Out, up, in, down, out, up, in, down, and smooth it out. Okay, so this is our upward figure 8. And then the Maya is the other way. So for the Maya, we're coming up, out, down, in, up, out, down, in, up, out, down, in. So it's the same move, different direction. See which one feels better for you. Oh, it feels so good. And it's a little bit of work through the core as well, which is really, really nice first thing too. Okay, my other favorite move of the month, number 3, is our beautiful undulations. I love our undulations. They go with any piece of music, and when people are watching you belly dancing, they love watching you do this move too. So with this one, we bring our chest forward, our stomach forward, our hips forward, and release. So chest, stomach. When you bring your chest forward, you want to really try and shift that torso forward. When you bring your stomach forward, your weight's coming forward in your feet, but you're also pushing out through your muscles, like if you're taking a big belly breath in yoga. And then for your hips forward, you're bending your knees, squeezing here and here. Chest, stomach, hips, and releasing into it. Oh, how good does that feel? Yeah, so there you go, they're my June favourites. I have to admit that all of these moves are based on how they feel, because I haven't really been performing to anyone. I've just been dancing at home. And dancing at home in the mornings, it's really, really nice to have moves that feel good for your own body. So there you go, they're my favourites this month. Let me know what your favourites have been this month as well. Do you have the same favourite moves all the time, or do you change them often? Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!